Today I'm going to show you 3 methods for multiplying 24 by 12. The first method that I'll use is the partial products. For example, I'm going to multiply 24 by what's in the tens place, which I have 110, and 24 by what's in the ones place, which I have a 2. So for example, 24 times 10, we know that to be 240. Then I'm going to multiply by what's in the ones place. 24 times 2, which is 48. Now I have 2 partial products that are easy to combine together. 0 plus 8 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. 2 plus 0 is 2, for a total of 288 using the partial products method. All right, a second method that I'm going to show is breaking the factors down into smaller factors. For example, I take the factor of 24 and I break it down into 2 add-ins, 12 and 12. All right, 12 and 12, or 12 times 12, is a fact that most of my students have mastered at this point. So I take each one of these add-ins and multiply it times our other factor of 12. 12 times 12 is 144. 12 times 12 we know is 144. When we combine those two together, we know that we get the total of 288. So breaking a larger factor down into 2 add-ins that are more recognizable and easier to multiply would be a second method, breaking factors down into smaller factors. All right, and the third method that we're going to do today is make a landmark or a friendly number. For example, I start with the same problem, 24 times 12. Well, 12 is kind of a challenging number to work with. So I'm going to subtract 2 groups of 24. Now I have 10 groups as my factor. 24 times 10, we know, is 240. Then the second step is to add back in the 2 groups of 24 that I took away. 2 groups of 24 would be 48. Or I could show that 2 groups of 24 is 48. Now we take 240 and our 48 and we combine the two and we end up with 288. So making this a friendly number, this 12, into a 10 by subtracting 2 groups and then adding back those same 2 groups that we took away at the end is going to give us our total of 288.